Hi, it's Jason from Turpin Landscape Design Build. We understand the importance of a well-maintained water feature. That's why we are thrilled to introduce our new membership packages to our pond and water feature clients.
With these new memberships, the goal is to make it easier and more convenient for our clients to enjoy their backyards throughout the year without having to think about water feature maintenance. Our dedicated team will continue to provide the same services such as cleaning, seasonal maintenance, aquatic plant installation, fall nettings, shutdowns, and renovations to ensure that your water feature remains beautiful and has a thriving ecosystem. Our membership packages are designed to simplify the process for our clients. Instead of signing up for individual maintenance visits, you can choose the packages that covers your water feature maintenance needs for the entire year. It's a hassle-free way to ensure your water feature receives the care it deserves without the need for multiple signups. By becoming a member, you will have the peace of mind of knowing that your water feature is being serviced for the year the way you would like it to be done. The range of packages allows you to choose what is best for you. Our memberships offer a range of benefits such as priority scheduling and discounted rates. We understand that our new memberships may not be for everyone. If you prefer to keep the services the way they are, rest assured that we will continue to provide the same reliable one-off services we've always offered. Whether it's a one-time cleanup, repair, or any other maintenance needs, reach out to us and we will swiftly get things going for you. Your satisfaction and convenience remains our top priority, and we are here to accommodate your preferences.
Our goal with these new packages is to make your pond maintenance as easy as possible. Let us take care of your water feature so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy its beauty all year round by signing up today.